you how to use ERIC and how to get to ERIC. So one way to get to ERIC is to type in, IUPUC Library Resources and Research. Resources and Research. When you get there, click on the link that brings you directly to that page. Then over on the left-hand side of that page, you'll see it says Resources A to Z. Click on that. And then we want ERIC database, so we want to go to the E's. And there are two links to two different ERIC databases. IU subscribes to two ERIC databases. I usually use the EBSCOhost, although both the CSA and the EBSCOhost are good ways to get into ERIC. So let's use the EBSCOhost though. So you click on that. And wait for it to think. And hopefully your computer thinks faster than mine. Okay, what my computer skipped, because I've logged in already today onto ERIC, is you'll have to log in with your IU username and password. And once you log in with your IU username and password, you'll come to this page. So there are two different ways to do searches. One way is to just type in a basic keyword right here. So if I type in censorship and search, censorship challenges to books in Scottish public libraries, nobody says no, student self-censorship, let's see. So I already see a bunch of articles that would work well. I mean, this one looks great. Censorship or selection, academic library holdings of the top 10 most challenged books of 2007. You can also add another word to that basic search. Let's say we want to just look at books, censorship in books. So I've got essentially two keywords up there. And that'll narrow it down a little bit and get rid of some of the results that you have. You can see that some of these just show up with the PDF files right there, and some of them you have to click on Find It and see if the IU library subscribes to that. There is a subscription to this journal, the Journal of Librarian and Information Science, so if you click on the word article right here, that'll bring the article up for you. Another way to search ERIC is to go into this advanced search. So on that original page, we also had the advanced search option. So when you go into advanced search, one nice thing you can do there is actually look for keywords in the title. And that sometimes helps narrow down your options too. So if we type in censorship and then come over here and say we really want this to show up in the title, let's see what we get. Lots of the same articles because the word censorship was showing up in our other search, but we're seeing we have probably fewer hits this time, but always the word censorship is going to show up in this search. And we can add the word books here. If we want to, we can come over here and say we want this to be a keyword identifier. So books with censorship in the title. Now we're down to 6. Reading Stephen King, issues of censorship, student choice, and popular literature, which would be a great article. Overt and covert censorship of children's books. So those are two different ways to use the ERIC database. I do think the ERIC database is the best way to go for this assignment, although using Google or Google Scholar will also get you some good articles.